Hi everybody, this is the 90 Mustang that I've got for sale. It's a two-owner car. It has had a repaint on the car, which most of the time at this time all of them do, but it is completely stock. If you look at the pictures, you'll notice that all the hoses are still original from the time when it was manufactured. I do have a Marty report on it too as well, and a Carfax showing that it's never been in any accident. In the pictures, if you look, you'll see all the tags are still on the fenders, so it's all factory. Nothing has had any or has been replaced. There was 1,400 of these cars made, red on red. This being a GT 5-speed with the sunroof, a pop-out sunroof. It still includes the bag for the sunroof on it. Still original wheels, factory exhaust. Pretty much everything is factory on the car except the tail lights. The previous owner did a switch. He didn't like the old tail lights on the car and put the LX ones on it that normally come with the GT. But you can look too, and all the markings and stuff are original as far as on the fenders and the rear. Again, it's never been in an accident. It's somewhat of a time capsule with 56,000 miles on the car. There's a few of them out there if you're big into Fox bodies, but you'll see that they're few and far between. Nice ones, and they're starting to demand and bring the big money. Only a couple of imperfections. There's a couple of marks above the sunroof that I can show you that are pretty minimal as far as that could be touched up. This car though, if you were to take it to any car show whatsoever, you're definitely going to be bringing in some trophies. With any old car, there's always something that you can touch up. At least that's my personality, or make better. We recently went through and had a body shop go through and wet sand and clean up all the car, any marks on it, so the paint looks outstanding, as well as the interior. There is a mark on one of the rear moldings that it looks like it may have got buffed on or something that's going to need to be touched up. Interior's immaculate. Everything works in the interior as far as the seats, the lumbar. Even if you look at the ashtray, everybody knows these break. It still works as well. Air works, heat works, radio works, tape deck works, power windows work, locks, lights. Nothing on it as far as mechanically needs to be done. When I did get the car, I did put a heater core in it. It did need that, which they're kind of notorious to have that problem. If you look in as far as the gauges, everything works on the gauges. I'll start it up for you. You look, it fires right up. Fortunately, on the 90s, they never had tilt wheel because it's the first year of the airbag for this car. But it is an anniversary car. Gears shift through, not a problem. I would take it out on a drive, but unfortunately we are in the Midwest and it's snowing today, so I don't take it out. You can hear too, your heat, your floor, everything works accordingly how it should. Switches from floor to mix, to defrost, to vent, radio, no problems there. Tape deck works. It's pretty much a get in and go car, unless you're like some guys with this that are gonna do a bunch of mods to it. But this is basically the base platform. I'll pop the hood too so you guys can see the motor running. But for someone that can do whatever they want to it, that's the nice part about this car. Or you can leave it plain stock. Power windows, see, up and down, nice, no hesitation or rattle. Same with the other side. Door locks, all that good stuff works. Lights, it's got the fog lights on it as well. See, those all work. These cars are just an awesome car. No hesitation in the motor. Everything works again accordingly as it should, and everything's pretty much set up. It's factory. You can tell by the hoses, all the connections. done to the motor. To me, that's the way I keep it, but a lot of guys, you know, that they are going to do some sort of modification, and you definitely could do it to your liking with this car because nothing's been done. If you got any questions, you can message me. If I don't respond right away, I definitely will get back to you. And if you got any other questions, please feel free to give me a ring, and be more than happy to show it to you. It's a car that I can assure you, if this is what you've been looking for, you're not going to be disappointed. Car is not perfect, but pretty darn close, and I would say out of a 10 I'd give it a 9, just because of a few little marks that need to be touched up. Paint's flawless, looks awesome. It's definitely a head turner car, and if you're looking at it, you already know this. And it's a great canvas for someone that wants to do whatever they want to do with it, or just leave it originally how it is. Thanks for taking a look. Got any questions? Give me a holler.